Good morning, Spartan Nation. We're here on a fun, fantastic Friday with the January 31st news. I'm Seth.
And I'm Brandon. Let's get started with your news. Here's some short news. Today is your last day to get your pink in the rink gear. Let's hockey check cancer together, so get your gear. Attention Sparta High School, I have some words for you. Seniors, Jostens ASAP. Dodgeball, February 29th. Seniors, Bash. Deadline to sign up, February 2nd. Scholarships, Office. Yearbook picks, Kendall. Well, it's pretty darn fun, Seth.
Was
Baseball, there is no hitting this Sunday, but will be the following week.
Girls varsity bowling lost 23-7, making their overall record 3-3. High games for the girls was Aaliyah Dines with 207 and Kaya Patterson with 162. Now let's roll over to the boys varsity bowling, where we won 28-2, bowling over conference opponents to improve their record to 6-0. High games go to Kyle Vanderwerf with 230 and Sam Hewlett with 215. That is an outstanding boys, and I couldn't even dream of bowling that well. Super Bowl Sunday's coming up this weekend, Brandon. Who you got?
You know what, Seth? I'm going to have to go with the underdogs, the 49ers. I don't think the Chiefs will be able to stop Mostert, and I got him scoring 3 times.
Nah. Chiefs Kingdom all the way. Mahomes is passing for 4 touchdowns. You heard it here first.
We'll see.
Speaking of football, morning liftings start this coming Monday at 6 a.m. It's game season, boys! That's all for today's news.
Let's finish off with a doubleheader. We got a quote and a funny Friday for y'all. Have an extravagant day, Spartans.
Hey, Ernie.
Hey, Bert, how are you today?
I'm good. How are you?
I'm great.
Hey, how do I look?
With your eyes.